In this lesson, we're going to find out how to restore contacts that we've already deleted. Let's dive into the screen share, figure it out. So, you accidentally deleted a bunch of contacts, or you've bulk action deleted a large number of contacts. What to do if you want to restore them back into the system? Well, click on Contacts, click on Restore, and this gives you the restore area. Now, I haven't deleted any contacts here, so let's do that now. So let's go to Contacts, and I am going to add a new contact, and I'm going to call it Johnny Utah. Here's the email address for them. Save. Now, whilst I've got Johnny here, we're going to delete trash icon, confirm, goodbye Johnny. Back to restore. Now Johnny is sitting there. So to restore the contact that you previously deleted, you could do at a bulk action, so selecting multiple records or individually selecting the records. Click on restore, click on confirm, and it's restored that contact. That's it for this lesson. We'll see you in the next one.